Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 electric mobility scooter. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Electric mobility scooter. The Enwu 4-wheel mobility scooter is a versatile and user-friendly option for daily and outdoor use. Powered by a 250W motor, it reaches a comfortable speed of 5.6 mph. While the 24V12A battery ensures reliable range, its dual baskets provide convenient storage, and the foldable design makes transport and storage effortless. Easy-to-use controls enhance accessibility for all users. Durable and stable, this scooter offers a smooth ride on various terrains, making it ideal for errands, leisure, and mobility independence. Number 4. Electric mobility scooter. The Topmate electric 3-wheel power mobility scooter impresses with its 10.4 a removable battery providing commendable range and an ergonomic seat designed for adults and seniors seeking comfort. The 3-wheel layout enhances stability, while its intuitive controls make it user-friendly for daily use. Ideal for errands or light outdoor outings, it offers a practical mobility solution, though users should verify actual range and adjust expectations based on terrain and rider weight. Number 3. Electric mobility scooter. The all-terrain off-road free classics 4-wheel mobility scooter for adults delivers impressive outdoor versatility with its rugged 4-wheel design built for harder terrain. It offers strong stability and a higher ground clearance, making it a good pick for off-road and daily use alike. The seat and controls are comfortable enough for regular errands and outings. On the flip side, its size and terrain focus mean it may be bulkier for cramped indoor spaces. A solid choice for outdoor mobility independence. Number 2. Electric mobility scooter. The Enwu electric mobility scooter delivers solid performance for adults and seniors with a 270W motor and dual batteries, giving impressive range and reliability. Its aluminum alloy folding frame ensures portability and ease of storage. Controls are user-friendly and the ride feels smooth and comfortable. Some users mention that the seat could be improved for longer outings, but overall it stands out as a dependable and practical mobility solution for everyday use. Number 1. Electric mobility scooter. The long-range 3-wheel electric mobility scooter 60V20A 2 seats for adults offers impressive value for its price. With a 60V20A battery and 3-wheel layout, it delivers noteworthy range and extra stability, especially when carrying a second passenger. Its 2-seat design makes it versatile for adults needing mobility, plus a ride-along option. On the flip side, dual seating may reduce maneuverability in tight spaces, and real-world range will depend on terrain and load. Great budget pick with caveats. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.